Welcome to this technical guide on the SL-Conga 3490. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing rapid battery drain, you're not alone. Many users find that their Acer SL-Conga 3490 can't even get through a meeting without needing a charge. This issue often arises due to an aging battery or a faulty connection. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, such as reduced performance and potential damage to your device. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the SL-Conga 3490. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Gently insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the laptop's casing, starting at the back. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips without damaging the casing. Once open, locate the battery, which is positioned centrally at the base of the laptop. It's identifiable by its rectangular shape and the wires attached to it. You may need to remove a few screws securing the battery in place. These are typically Phillips screws. Apply gentle pressure when removing them to avoid stripping the screws. Carefully detach the battery's connector by pulling it straight out, ensuring not to tug on the wires. Remove the old battery from its compartment, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Now, take your new battery and place it into the same compartment. Reconnect the battery's connector firmly, ensuring it is seated correctly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to secure the battery without over-tightening. Once everything is back in place, close the laptop by aligning the edges of the casing and pressing down gently until you hear the clips snap back into position. Power on your device and check if the battery is recognized and charging properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery and avoid letting it discharge completely too often. Keeping your software up to date can also help manage battery performance effectively. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.